The Free State High Court is expected to continue with the asbestos roof removal trial today after Judge Philip Loubser delivered a judgment in favour of Moroadi Cholota, who challenged her arrest and extradition from the US. Judge Loubser ruled that the court did not have the jurisdiction to try Cholota on corruption. Let's now get more from our reporter who is covering this particular case for us. Of course, that's Kamogelo Seekoei. Kamogelo, talk to us. Give us an update on this now.
Well, Leanne, with everything being smooth, we expect that the trial will definitely resume today. But as you've mentioned, the state hit a big hurdle yesterday when Judge Philip Loubser actually found that the court does not have jurisdiction to try Moroadi Cholota in this main trial of the 255 million rand asbestos roof removal corruption case. So today we don't know actually what will actually transpire, because we do expect that the case should continue, but the state might ask for a postponement. If you remember, Moroadi Cholota was actually one of the people who are very key in this particular case. Some of the information that came out in the trial, within a trial, was the fact that she was the one who used to write emails on behalf of her former boss, who's the former premier of the Free State, Kamogelo, to some of the business people who are involved in this particular tender that is involved in this case. So her being one of the people who are key and a link to many of the people who are involved in this particular case, and not being part of the case, is something that one anticipates the state might have a problem with, and they might actually ask for a postponement just to get their ducks in a row. But we will obviously see what happens, and if they do ask for a postponement, whether the judge will actually grant that postponement, because one of the other things is, if the state said it was ready for trial, losing one person in the trial should not derail them from continuing. So we'll see today actually what happens and whether they will continue with the case.
All right, Kamogelo Seekoei on that story. We look forward to an update on that one, and of course she's covering that story for us.